In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a master timeline in Asana on your PC. This walkthrough will help you turn a project into a clear, date-driven plan that you and your team can follow with confidence. Start by opening your web browser on your computer and going to asana.com. If you aren't already signed in, click Log In and enter your credentials. Once you're in, open the project you want to build a master timeline for. Think of this as the home base where all the tasks, dates, and phases will live. At the top of your project, click the plus icon and select Timeline. This switches the project into a timeline view where you can see tasks laid out across a calendar-style grid. It's perfect for mapping phases, spotting overlaps, and understanding the sequence of work. To start populating your plan, click the plus Add Task button directly on the timeline. Type the task name, keep it short but descriptive so it's easy to scan, and press Enter. That adds the task to your project and places it on the timeline. If you're creating several tasks, keep pressing Enter after each name to move quickly. Next, click a task to open its details and set the start date and due date. These dates define the window of work for that task. After setting them, you can fine-tune by dragging the taskbar on the timeline. Drag left or right to move the whole task to a different time, or drag the ends to make it shorter or longer. This is a fast way to adjust schedules without opening each task again. Asana saves changes automatically so you won't lose your updates. To keep everything organized, click Add Section to group tasks by phase or team. For example, you might create sections like Planning, Design, Build, and Launch, or group by Marketing, Engineering, and Operations. Name the section and press Enter. Sections help you scan the timeline quickly and make status reviews much easier. Continue adding tasks, naming them clearly, and assigning dates. Use the timeline adjustments to resolve conflicts and align tasks with real deadlines. If a task needs more time, stretch it. If priorities shift, slide tasks to new dates. The goal is to create a master view that reflects how the work truly flows. When you're done, you'll have a timeline that makes your project understandable at a glance, keeps everyone aligned, and adapts as plans evolve. That's all there is to creating a master timeline in Asana on your PC.